Now, you know everybody got a hair story. Here's mine. Pull up a chair. I've been on a journey taking care of my mind and my body. The last thing I was worried about was my hair until I noticed that it was very dry and it was not growing the way I would have liked. I started using the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Hair Care Collection to help restore the moisture in my hair and the dryness and damage. Now, I'd be lying to you if I told you I was Angel out here in these streets. I was definitely wilding with my hair. Multiple passes of heat. I don't want to talk about it. Putting my hair in tight ponytails, leaving it in for days, multiple passes with flat iron. And I really don't even want to get into it about my scalp because I was never oiling my scalp or the ends of my hair. But thankfully, I've been able to get my hair back in check by getting it trimmed and taking much better care thanks to Palmer. I mean, look at that body. I tried to be like the girls. Anyway, whether your hair is curly or straight, be good to your hair and be good to you.